Lindsay Hall from Knowles Warwick. We help our clients to achieve their dreams and ambitions with a combination of expert accountancy services and tailored business advice. Today I wanted to talk to you about our upcoming new tax guide, Happiness is Paying the Correct Tax. So I thought the best way to do that for you was to read the first chapter. So Happiness is Paying the Correct Tax is our second book in the Entrepreneur's Guide to Achieving Your Dreams and Ambitions series. The first is Happiness is a Positive Cash Flow, which you can download for free on our website for a limited period. The link will be in the comments below. So let's get started. So chapter 1 is called The Tax System Simplified. Tax is a complicated subject, right? Well, yes, but it doesn't have to be. Take Estonia, for example. As one of the youngest countries in Europe, the Estonian government didn't have centuries' worth of historical tax legislation and procedure bogging down the system. So when the internet was invented, it was a simple task to digitalise the tax system. Now, almost all government services are connected on one single digital platform, and the average time for an individual to complete their personal tax return is under 5 minutes. How did the Estonian government achieve such a streamlined digital tax system? By connecting the dots with other government departments and taking responsibility for data management. Most of the information required for a tax return is pre-populated from other documentation, such as your driving licence and any other past contact you may have had with the government. This effectively means that the Estonian government's tax department prepares your tax return for you, and your role is to review, amend and approve it. A complete role reversal from the British system. And Estonia isn't alone. Singapore has a very similar system, whereby the government provides a downloadable file containing all the information they hold on you to pre-populate from your employer's pay submissions. Instead of providing all the data yourself, you simply download, update and amend the file the government has created, dramatically reducing the time you spend on your tax return. Unfortunately, the British system hasn't yet caught up, despite the introduction of making tax digital, which brings me to the reason for writing this book. In these pages, we'll take a closer look at the UK tax system, uncover the mysteries and dispel the myths, and help you to understand the importance of paying the correct amount of tax. Why is tax important? Taxation is the most significant source of government income in almost every country, according to the International Centre for Tax and Development. Total tax revenues account for more than 80% of total government revenue in around half of the countries in the world, and more than 50% in almost every country. Tax is unfortunately a necessary evil. It not only allows our government to fund benefits such as universal credit, child benefit and disability living allowance, as well as the state pension, but also our National Health Service, education, transport, defence, housing, business, the environment and much more. In 2017, the UK government spent £711 billion of taxpayer money, almost a quarter of which went on welfare, with healthcare not far behind. You might not agree with everything the government spends our tax pennies on. Projects such as Brexit and HS2 have been particularly controversial in recent years, but we will all benefit from one or more of the services funded by taxes at some point in our lives, and therefore it is important that those of us who are able to contribute financially do. Types of tax. For the purposes of this book, we're talking about all taxes. That includes income tax, value-added tax, capital gains tax, inheritance tax, corporation tax, and pay-as-you-earn. These are all dealt with on a self-assessment basis, meaning the onus and the responsibility is on you, the individual, to submit your records and make sure you get it right. Ergo, any mistakes or deliberate omissions are your responsibility as well, and any penalties that arise from an investigation by HMRC will fall to you too. Calculating your tax bill. You are responsible for calculating your own tax, even if you have someone else doing it for you, such as an accountant, tax advisor, or even a friend who's better with numbers than you are. Using a suitably qualified professional to calculate your tax may provide some defence against potential penalties, but ultimately the book stops with you, so it's critical that you keep on top of your financial responsibilities. The worry and stress caused by an inquiry by HMRC is a serious distraction from your business, and the cost of that distraction, as well as the potential lost opportunities, could be significant, even if there is ultimately nothing to pay. There you have it. That was chapter 1 of Happiness is Paying the Correct Tax, the new Entrepreneur's Guide to Achieving Your Dreams and Ambitions from Knowles Warwick. The guide will be released on the 1st of March and you can pre-order it for £4.99 on Amazon Kindle. Thank you for watching. You can find us at knowleswarwick.com or on LinkedIn, and if you'd like to get in touch with us, you can email us at bestadvice@knowleswarwick.com. If you'd like to watch more of our videos, you can find them at our YouTube channel, and I'll be back soon with more videos to help you to market your small business.